Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let us do our lesson in English. The making of a scientist. We are learning about Richard Albright, a very smart young boy who later became a great scientist. Now here, his mother always cooperated him, helped him, encouraged him, and brought many things. She brought many things for him to learn. His mother even brought friends so that he could play with his friends in the house. And lastly, his mother brought a book, a children's book. The book was all about the butterflies, the travel of Monarch X, about the butterflies that migrated from Canada to Central America, and again they come back. So the book opened the world of science to the eager, anxious collector, because whatever Albright used to do, he used to do it with interest. So as his mother has brought him a book of butterflies, he went through the book, and at the end of the book, readers were invited to help study butterfly migration. At the end it was written, those who have got the book, they are requested or they are invited to help study the migration of the butterflies. And the address was also given. The readers were asked to tag butterflies. Tag means put a adhesive tape, white cellophane tape, and tag and let the butterflies fly away. So the readers were asked to tag butterflies for research. How far they can go from one area to another area, how they migrate. So it was a kind of research done by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart. He was a professor of the University of Toronto of Canada. So this professor, Frederick, requested the readers to tag the butterfly and let them fly. And whoever catches a butterfly with the tag are asked to report to the professor, Frederick A. Urquhart. So after going through the book, Richard Albright thought he already has so many collection of butterflies. He decided to try it. So Richard's mother contacted the professor. She sent a letter to the professor, and her son Richard Albright was attaching light adhesive tape, cellophane tape, tags to the wings of the monarch butterflies and let them fly. He started doing that to help study about the migration of the butterflies, as Frederick A. Urquhart told as mentioned in the book. If anyone found the tagged butterfly, was asked to report to the professor. If anyone found or catches a butterfly with a tag, the person was asked to report to the professor to know or to see how far the tagged butterflies has flown. The butterfly collecting season lasts there 6 weeks in summer. The butterfly collection lasted for 6 weeks only in summer. So therefore, going through each and every butterfly was very tiresome, and you can't catch more. So therefore, Ebright was raising a flock of butterflies. So Ebright, what he did? He caught the female butterfly and he kept the butterfly in his house so that it will lay eggs, and from eggs again caterpillar, pupa, and then again butterfly. So you'll have a number of butterflies. So therefore, Ebright was raising a flock of butterflies in his home, at the basement of his home. So Ebright was very clever. He knew that going after each and every butterfly to catch them, it is very tiresome and you won't catch many. But why not raise a flock of butterfly and start tagging them and send them? So now you can see, therefore Ebright was raising a flock of butterflies in his home, and the basement of his home was of his house was a home to thousands of monarch butterflies in different stages of development. So he started raising the butterflies in the basement of his house, and he had thousands of butterflies in different stages of development. So there was no problem. He doesn't have to go searching for the butterflies in the field. Now he has the monarch butterflies in his basement. No, he started tagging and let them fly, tagging them and let them fly. But the response was very little. 2-3 butterflies were caught by the other people, and the rest, they disappeared. So it was the response was not very good. So it was quite tiring and tedious. So he began to lose interest in this, because there was very little response that the people have caught, or the person have caught that tagged butterfly and reported to the professor. Very few. So most of the butterflies, they disappeared. He tagged and let them fly, but they could not go very far away. So it was very tiresome, and Ebright began to lose interest in that after many months. So it took many months and years. He started doing all this. He never lose hope. He kept on doing it. But later on, this only thing helped him to become a great scientist. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. So we'll meet in the next class and continue what happened after that. So thank you for watching.